Hi student, today let us draw the diagram of a respiratory system. First of all, let us draw the rough diagram of a face, the nose and the mouth. The nose is a first major organ of the respiratory system. Air enters our body through the nose. Then the air passes through the other organs of a respiratory system and reaches to the lungs. As we know, all animals and human beings need a continuous supply of oxygen to live, isn't it? Without oxygen, we cannot survive. Oxygen is found in air and helps to turn the food into energy. During this process, they release carbon dioxide from the body. As carbon dioxide it is a waste product, it must be removed from the body, isn't it? To do all these things, we need an organ system. That organ system is the respiratory system. You can see in the picture I am drawing the different organs of the respiratory system. Yes, the pharynx, the voice box, the windpipe, the bronchi. Okay, they are continuing and they are divided and they are entering into the lungs, the bronchi. And now they are called as bronchioles because of the small branches. There are the several branches in the lungs, you can see here. In respiratory system there is a two process. One is physical process and other is chemical process. Let us see first physical process. Physical process is a breathing in which the exchange of gas take place through inhalation and exhalation. Then what is chemical process? Respiration is a chemical process in which food is broken down to liberate energy using oxygen. Student, if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Now let us label the parts of a respiratory system. First is nose, you can see here. Then the second organ is pharynx. Then there is a larynx. This is a trachea. The larynx is also called as a voice box. And the trachea is also called as a windpipe. Here is a bronchi. And this later they are divided into two and it enters into the lungs. Okay, these branches are called bronchioles. Here is a air sac known as alveoli. And here is a large muscular dome shaped structure called diaphragm. It is present below the lungs. It plays a very important role in the respiratory system. And this complete our respiratory system. Okay, thank you.